Hello friends, I have a magic trick to show you. I am going to make this coin disappear under this glass. Now let me put my magic cover on the glass. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. Oh, let me put it over here and abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. The paper is gone and where did it go? Now let me say the magic words again. Then let's see if it appears. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. Oh, it appeared. Can you guess how I did the magic trick? Do you want to learn this magic trick? Let me show you. Once the circle cutout is ready, stick it on top of the glass like this. Now take the exact same paper and put it on the table to do the magic. Now take a coin and put it on the paper. When you put the glass upside down on the coin, it looks like the coin has disappeared. When I take it off, the coin comes back. When I put it back, the coin is gone. I hope you like the magic. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.